scoring a hat trick. India today successfully test-fired a new surface-to-air missile developed jointly with Israel. From our defense base of Odisha coastal, a third consecutive trial of the air defense system. The missile with a strike range of 70 km was launched at 10:20 hours from the integrated test range at Chandrapur, a defense statement said. With the third consecutive successful test firing today, the medium-range surface-to-air missile MRSAM air defense system has achieved a hat trick. It said, the objective of today's mission was for maximum range and high maneuvering target. The missile guided by Yamut Seeker system hit the last-minute maneuvering target. The defense release said, with this, MRSAM system has proved the air defense capability for 3 different boundary envelopes of the target. It said, Defense Research and Development Organization created a STRI by conducting 3 consecutive successful trials of the missile for Indian Air Force, a DRDO official said. The missile had been successfully test-fired twice yesterday from the TER. The missile, positioned at launch pad 3 of the TER, swung into action after getting signal from the radars to intercept a pilotless target aircraft over the Bay of Bengal, DRDO officials said. Apart from the missile, the system includes a multifunctional surveillance and threat alert radar MF-STAR for detection, tracking and guidance of the missile, they said. The missile along with MF-STAR will provide the users with the capability to neutralize any aerial threats, said a DRDO scientist. President Pranab Mukherjee congratulated DRDO on the successful test firings of the medium-range missile and said it should make greater efforts to boost India's indigenous defense capabilities. Defense Minister Manohar Parrikar also congratulated the DRDO team, Air Force, IAI, Israel and associated industries for the hat-trick success of MRSAM weapon system. The missile was jointly developed by a laboratory of DRDO based at Hyderabad in collaboration with Israel Aerospace Industries. Earlier, Indian Navy had successfully test-launched the long-range surface-to-air missile LRSAM. The test had been undertaken on the western seaboard by INS Kolkata on December 30, 2015, the official said. Such type of medium-range surface-to-air missiles having striking ranges from 50 to 70 km can fill the gap of existing missiles that India has in its armory, they said. As a safety measure, Balasore District Administration in consultation with defense officials had temporarily shifted 652 civilians residing within 5 km radius of the launch Parno, 3 of it at 2 nearby shelter centers this morning to ensure a safe launch of the missile. A revenue official said. Fishermen engaged in sea fishing along the Bay of Bengal in Odisha coastal districts Balasore, Bhadrak and Kendupalli were asked not to venture into the sea during the time of the test launch.